life lesson I will share is love yourself. First, know who you are. Growing up in southeastern Nigeria, our parents instilled in their 10 children a love for learning and a heart of compassion. They made us believe that we could achieve anything we set our minds to. So, believe in who you want to become, the best version of yourself. Another life lesson. Trainees often ask how to know if they will be successful in their career paths. I always tell them, find your passion, purpose, and value. Please repeat after me. Passion.
Passion.
Purpose.
Purpose.
Value.
Value.
Your passion is that which you love to do, such that no one needs to remind you to start, but someone needs to remind you to take a break. That is what you should be doing with your life, and you will excel in it. Purpose is why you do what you do. Having a purpose that seeks the good of others beyond your own personal gain makes life more meaningful. And having premature 1-pound birth weight babies during my first fellowship gave me purpose. Value is the impact you have on yourself and others. Being in an environment where your contributions are appreciated or valued brings out the best in you. Another life lesson. You become what you think, so think positively. Your thoughts affect your emotions, your words, and your actions. Your actions affect your life experiences. 7 days after having my micro-preemies, my son, Obiola, passed away. And my daughter, Olachi, stayed 3 months in the NICU. After a few months, I took a break from fellowship to focus on caring for her. After working in the community hospital NICU as a pediatrician for 2 years, I decided I wanted to complete my fellowship, and I moved to a new state. It felt like I was starting life all over again. I woke up each morning saying, it's going to be a great day. I can do this. Disciplining my thoughts positively changed my life. Another life lesson. We all seek peace in life. Life's path is never straight. However, in my life, I found that every twist and turn was either a lesson, a blessing, or both. Moving to a new academic institution, one of my collaborators was unable to continue producing microparticles needed for my NIH career development grant, and I was sort of stuck. What do I do? And there was no one in my new institution that could help me. I decided that I was going to produce these microparticles in my lab, and it seemed impossible, but this closed door became a new direction. We not only produce microparticles, we're able to achieve even the smallest size nanoparticles. So peace comes from trusting that all things work together for your good. Live in the present and take actions of things that are within your control. The last life lesson. It took me some time to finally realize that joy was already inside of me. I just didn't get the memo. Joy is a choice, and easier to maintain when you choose selfless values like kindness, compassion, integrity. You cannot control what people say or do to you or others. You can only control your own actions, so be consistently kind. Compassion and service is servant leadership, which prioritizes the well-being of those under your care, especially those that are vulnerable. Integrity is doing the right thing at the right time for the right reasons, even when no one is watching, and even if you lose something of value. So choose to maintain your joy. I remind myself each time that my name is Joy.